My name is Joanna Petit-Frere, makeup artist and photographer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ombre lipstick look by using Visage One Cosmetics longwear lip stains. All the products that I use in this video are listed below. First, you want to apply the MAC Lip Liner Plum. Apply it on the upper and lower outer part of your lip. Next, I'll be applying my makeup line Visage One Studios Luxurious Longwear Matte Lip Stains. Apply it on your lower and upper lip. Visage One Studio Longwear Lip Stains are creamy lip colors with a modern matte finish. The nourishing ingredients help keep the lips supple and smooth. It's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and comes in over 7 colors. After applying the lip stain, reapply the plum liner in a back and forth motion on the outline of your lips, creating the ombre effect. The final look. You can purchase Visage One Studios Cosmetics in the link in my Instagram bio or by visiting visageonestudios.com. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, share this video, and follow my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Visage One Studios. Bye for now.